Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're exploring a topic that often sounds complex, but is incredibly important in property and land disputes: injunction orders on property. If you've ever been involved in a property disagreement, or you've heard about injunctions being used to stop certain actions, you might be wondering what they actually are, how they work, and when you might need one. So let's break it down in clear, simple terms. An injunction is a type of court order. It's used to either stop someone from doing something, or in some cases, to make them do something. When it comes to property, an injunction can be a powerful legal tool for protecting your rights. For example, if someone is trespassing on your land, attempting to sell or alter property without permission, or interfering with your legal ownership, you can apply to the court for an injunction to stop that behavior. In some cases, injunctions can also be used to prevent the sale or transfer of property while a dispute is being resolved. There are two main types of injunctions that commonly arise in property disputes: prohibitory injunctions and mandatory injunctions. A prohibitory injunction stops someone from taking a certain action, such as building on your land or blocking your access to it. A mandatory injunction, on the other hand, requires them to take action, for example, to remove something that's been built illegally, or to restore the property to its previous state. One of the key features of injunctions is that they can be granted quickly in urgent situations. If there's a real risk of harm or loss that can't be undone, what we call irreparable damage, you can apply for what's known as an interim or emergency injunction. This is a temporary order that protects your position until the court can make a full decision after hearing all the evidence. Let's imagine a practical example. Suppose you own a piece of land and discover that a neighbor has started building a wall that extends several feet onto your property. You ask them to stop, but they refuse. Every day that construction continues, more damage is being done to your rights as a landowner. In that scenario, you could apply for an injunction to immediately stop the work while the court decides who's in the right. Without the injunction, by the time the dispute is resolved, the wall might already be built, and removing it could be far more complicated and costly. At Blackstone Solicitors, we assist clients in both applying for and defending against injunction orders. We help prepare the necessary evidence, draft the application, and represent you in court to make sure your interests are fully protected. Injunctions are serious legal measures, and courts don't grant them lightly. You'll need to show that there's a genuine legal issue, that damages alone wouldn't be enough to put things right, and that granting the injunction would be fair and proportionate. Acting quickly is often critical, as delays can weaken your case. On the other hand, if someone has obtained or threatened to obtain an injunction against you, it's vital to seek legal advice straight away. Breaching an injunction is a serious matter and can even result in contempt of court proceedings. However, there may be grounds to challenge or vary the injunction if it's unjustified or too restrictive. So, to sum up, an injunction order on property is a court order designed to protect your rights by stopping someone from acting unlawfully or requiring them to take corrective action. It's a powerful legal remedy, often used in urgent or high-stakes property disputes, and it can make all the difference in preserving your ownership, access, or development rights. At Blackstone Solicitors, we have extensive experience dealing with injunctions in property and commercial matters. Whether you need to apply for one, defend against one, or simply understand your options, our team can guide you through the process with clear, strategic advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more practical legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors. And if you're facing a property dispute that might require an injunction, get in touch. We'd be delighted to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.